have 5 potatoes, all palm-sized potatoes, and now I'm going to be cutting them. Make sure to have a parent supervision while using the knife. So first I'm going to cut it in half. And cut smaller pieces. So the pieces shouldn't be too thick or too thin. They should be a very minimal size. So now I did these. So now I'm going to be cutting the rest. So these are the ingredients we have. We have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of paprika powder. We have ½ cup of rice flour. We have 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of pepper. We also have ½ cup of olive oil. So now we are going to be mixing them together. So in this bowl, I'm going to take a little bit of potatoes and put it into this bowl. So make sure to put it very carefully into this bowl. So now I'm going to add in the olive oil to our potatoes. And now we're going to nicely mix them together till they all get the coat of olive oil. Make sure every part of the potato. So this is how it looks after it all got mixed well with the olive oil. Now with our other bowl, we're going to add in all our dry ingredients. The flour, paprika powder, pepper, salt, and our rice flour. And now we're going to combine this very well. So I'm using a whisk to combine all the dry ingredients together. So now I'm going to take our potato that's coated with olive oil and put it into our flour mixture. And we're basically just going to be coating them so we get a crispy taste when we fry it. So I'm just going to be coating all of the potatoes in the flour mixture. So when you coat it, it turns out more crispier. So make sure to coat every part of the potato so you get every crispy part. Check if the oil is ready. We are going to take a little piece. I want to put it in. If it bubbles and comes to the top, that means it's ready. And mine is ready, so I'm going to add in the potatoes. And make sure to be very, very careful because it's very hot. And make sure not to put too much. It's almost ready, but it'll be ready in a few more minutes. Make sure to only take it out when it's golden brown. It looks very delicious already. It's done now, and now I'm going to be taking it out. So this is the color the potato wedges should be looking. They look very delicious. It's done. So now they're done, and now I'm going to be trying them. It's very, very delicious. You guys should try this at home as well. It's a very nice snack to have at home. So make sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!